Good day and welcome again to this channel. In today's video, we'll be solving this SAT question. We want to find the perimeter of the square. So to start, we can represent the length of each side of the square by S. And don't forget, all the sides of a square are equal. Then we make a representation for the radius of the circle as well. We can let the radius be R. So we have decided to use the usual letters that we use for these sides. Now, coincidentally, the radius of the circle is the diagonal of the square. So we join them together. Now, Pythagoras theorem can be applied here because the diagonal divides the square into two congruent triangles, and the square of the adjacent sides must be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So s squared plus s squared equals to r squared. And s squared plus s squared adds to 2s squared equals to r squared, which can be written as r squared is equal to 2s squared. Now, let us keep that for use later on in the solution. Now, it will be recollected that the area of a square is the square of the side. So s squared is the area of the square, and area of a circle is pi r squared. Then the shaded area in this case, we have the circle shaded minus the square. So the shaded area is going to be area of the circle minus area of the square, which is left blank and not shaded. And this is pi r squared minus s squared by the formula that we wrote above. Now, according to the question, the shaded area is given by 36 pi minus 18. Therefore, in this case, the shaded area which is pi r squared minus s squared by formula is 36 pi minus 18. And recall that above we have said that r squared by Pythagoras theorem is 2s squared. So we can substitute for r squared in the formula we have of the shaded area, and that is pi times 2s squared equals to, minus s squared equals to 36 pi minus 18. Then that becomes 2 pi s squared minus s squared equals to 36 pi minus 18. Now, on the left hand side, we can factorize s squared, and on the right hand side, 18 can be factorized. So we have s squared into brackets 2 pi minus 1 when we factorize s squared equals to 18 into 2 pi minus 1 on the right hand side as well. Now we have 2 pi minus 1 common, so we can divide both sides by 2 pi minus 1, which means that they cancel out on both sides. So we have s squared equals to 18, and from here we take the square root of both sides. So x is going to be square root of 18, and that simplifies. That's 9 times 2, so it simplifies to 3 root 2. That gives the side of the square. Now for the perimeter of the square. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. So 4s is the perimeter of the square in this case, and that will be 4 times 3 root 2, which is 12 root 2 units. And that can be found in option C. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you for watching.